Hello, my name is Miss Ann, and welcome to Speedy Science. In this program, every week we do a fun science activity that you can fit into your busy schedule. This week we are making milk art. This is a fun science experiment that combines science and painting. For this activity, you will need a bowl, some milk, food coloring, dish soap, and a spoon. First, pour the milk into the bowl. Then, add some drops of food coloring. You can add as many or as few colors as you want. Just remember that if you add all of the colors together, you will get brown. Next, take your spoon and put some dish soap on the back of the spoon. You can also use a Q-tip or a toothpick if you want. Now comes the fun part. We're going to dip the spoon with the dish soap into the food coloring and whoa! Did you see that? Let's think of what just happened. That's right. The food coloring ran away from the milk. Let's talk about why. This is because milk has fat in it. Dish soap works by breaking up the fat molecules in iron dishes to keep them clean. So, as the molecules break apart, it looks like the food coloring is being pushed in different directions. It's really fun to try to draw a picture when the colors keep moving away from you. You can keep doing this, and then when you're done, just go ahead and dump the entire bowl of milk down the drain. Make sure you do not drink it. Thank you so much for joining us for Speedy Science. We'll be back next week with another fun science activity. And make sure to register for our summer reading program by visiting www.alsoplibrary.info. Bye! Hey everyone, I'm Miss Ann, and this is this week's bonus activity. Each week, we'll include at the end of the video bonus ideas or activities you can use to expand the fun even further. This week, we'll talk about how to turn this milk painting demonstration into a science experiment. Remember, the difference is that a science experiment attempts to answer a question with a hypothesis. So, here are some questions you can try to answer. Does changing the temperature of the milk impact the speed of the reaction? Does changing the amount of fat in the milk change the intensity of the reaction? Does changing the brand of dish soap affect the intensity of the reaction? Remember, before you want to start your experiment, make a hypothesis or a guess about what you think the answer will be. Then test it out by keeping track of your different answers. Make sure to let us know what you thought and how your experiments turned out.